This is Carlos Velasco with Acousti Engineering. We are at Vicars Landing, a project that started about 2 years ago. This is basically 2 buildings, 4-story high. Acousti has teamed up with the Steel Network to buy their Sigma stud system, which in this particular job got approved and minimized the cost impact on the labor.
I'm Mike Frankie, supervisor for Acousti Engineering Company. It's the first time experience for me with these studs. I find it phenomenal, the design of it. It goes together real simple. The strength of it is really phenomenal. I would have never believed it's going to hold what it is holding. The shear walls with it are amazing.
Why we team up with the Steel Network? Because we figure that we can simplify the construction process and accelerate the schedule to make the customer happy and the GC successful on this job. So with the help of the Steel Network and Sigma studs, we're pre-manufacturing all the studs that Steel Network had directly shipped to the job site. We've got the design already by the light gauge engineer. These guys are prefabbing the walls for our shear wall system as well as the exterior walls.
No beating or forcing. It slides right together. Amazing system. I would like to see it on more jobs.
Once the wall is completely set, all we got to do is fly it into place, secure it on site, and we move to the next floor. Hopefully delivering this job on schedule, on time, and with cost labor savings for Acousti and obviously the owner and the general contractor.